What is micro-decluttering? Well, micro-decluttering is using small amounts of time in order to remove things from your home, your living space, your workspace, whatever it may be, because you are only decluttering and organizing for 15 minutes. Now, this technique is really going to benefit the people that struggle with those giant decluttering projects. So if that is you and you are like, whoa, I never am able to declutter or organize in like an entire day, to do a micro declutter, you start by creating a plan. Okay, I am going to clear off our kitchen counters. That is where I am going to start. And so you have your plan, right? That's as simple as your plan needs to be. It does not need to be like an over the top plan. It just needs to be something simple like I am going to declutter the kitchen counters. Then you're going to set your timer for 15 minutes and you're just going to get to work. You're going to be like, I'm going to keep this, throw away, put in a different location, sift through all the stuff. Once the timer goes off, put the stuff away and you're done. That's your micro declutter for the day. Then the next day, maybe you go to another counter that is full of papers and stuff. Maybe it's in your office. Maybe it's in like the art room or playroom or storage room or laundry room or whatever. You get the idea of like room options, whatever you may call them, and go through a counter in that space and just remove the things that no longer serve you for 15 minutes, put them where they need to be, recycling, trash, different location, and then the next day continue that same process. The reason why this technique can really benefit is because it's small, actionable steps that you can see the traction is going. You're kind of like starting by like rolling a ball down a hill, and as it goes, it just kind of gets bigger and bigger and bigger because the small step you took is going to continue and spiral into such big action in your home. Right. Small steps, big win. That's the goal with micro decluttering. You can think of micro decluttering kind of like tiny habit changes for your home. So now you change the different way in which you're keeping up with the organizing, which is why micro decluttering works really well. Now, I do have a micro declutter workbook that you can get down below where you're watching this video. So make sure to grab that micro declutter workbook and help you micro declutter your entire home.